Coming to you from Mosha Reggae Lounge in Dominican Republic. The new location. Okay, so I just had 4 people from Quebecois. They were recommended here. I'm going to talk to them individually. What's your name, baby?
Karina.
And what did you have? The jerk chicken, right?
Yeah, the jerk chicken.
Did you like it?
I enjoy it. It was amazing.
You hear that, folks? Was it worth the waiting and the flavor and all of that?
Yeah.
Best jerk chicken ever. The best jerk chicken ever.
He said the best. What's your name, brother?
Pedro.
Pedro.
See.
And they know because they live in Canada. So Canada is the Jamaican capital of the world. It's the biggest migration of Jamaican people outside of England.
See.
So they know. We got a festival there. And what's your name, brother?
Victor,
Victor, it's the first time you taste jerk?
Non, c'est la première fois que tu manges du jerk.
Oh, no.
He's a fan.
Ouais, fan.
He's a fan. Did you like the jerk chicken, Victor?
Yes.
He speaks French, so he doesn't used to.
C'est le meilleur.
He says the best jerk chicken. My brother, call me blessed love. And then we have this beautiful young lady. What is your name?
Jean.
Jane. Oh my. Now, you from Canada too?
Yes.
This is the first time tasting the jerk chicken?
No.
You taste before?
Yes.
What do you think about my jerk chicken? Look at that. I want those kisses here, okay? On the cheek, on the lip, right here, on the kisser. So, you had jerk chicken in Canada, right?
Yes.
In Canada.
Yes.
You speak French? Québec. Tú puedo parler français? Pero yo no sé, yo parlo francés, pero but it's good, yes?
Yes, it's really good.
Thank you.
But do you want me to speak Spanish?
No, it's okay. Just enough of the English. You can speak French is better. Tell me Spanish.
Ok, ben, on aime tous beaucoup le poulet jamaïcain. Ben, ici, c'est le meilleur de la vie.
Ouh.
Le meilleur de toute la vie. Moi, j'ai 29 ans, là, je suis plus vieille que eux, là, puis c'est le meilleur de toute ma vie, il y a 40 ans.
She said it's the best.
Yes, it's the best.
French.
J'ai jamais mangé un aussi bon
Jerk chicken.
de ma vie.
She's
Ouais.
speaking in French. She says it's the best jerk chicken they've ever tasted. And big respect to them. Thank you for coming. Merci beaucoup. And gracias por venir. And thank you very much, my friend. And you can send your friends to come also.
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Mosha, Boom Shack, Mosha out. One love. Peace. One love. One love.